Alright guys, Chad.Lanz here at Guaranty RV. I'm here to show you the Heartland product. This is a Sundance. This is a 291 QB. It's 2019. This is brand new technology. You could be the first one to own it. Right here is going to be your storage area. Tons of storage space to keep your chairs and all that good stuff when you're camping, your generator. If you come right back this way, we'll show you a few more things. On this particular unit, all of your setups are going to be right here. All your water connections, power, cable. Your hot water heater is going to be right here. That's going to be a 6-gallon hot water heater. Back bumper, spare tire, which is going to be nice if you do have an incident, which we hope you don't. You come back to this area here, and you got your outdoor kitchen and stove, which is really nice. You got a nice little fridge back there for when you're cooking outside. Another cool feature about this unit here is it has outdoor speakers that are waterproof. It's going to have the electric awning as well. You're going to have your potable water here. You're also going to have a regular plug-in for if you have your Traeger and you want to do some smoking. We'll come on inside and we'll take a look at the unit in here. And when we get back into this unit here, there's a couple cool features. You got a table so the kids can eat. That also turns into a bed. If you see right here, I won't release it because it'll just get in the way, but that's also another bed that folds down. You look over here, tons of space for the kids' clothes and everything. Nice little storage compartment down here, a couple bunks. You can close this door if you don't want to deal with them and you want them to watch video games on their own or whatever. In here, nice bathroom, tub shower, toilet. You got a nice sink, nice place to hang some towels in there. Another great thing is you got some storage here for some more clothes for kids or whatever you choose to put in there. This is a table that also converts into a bed, which is really nice if you have extra guests. The kitchen here is a nice easy flow. It's going to be really open, really big. It's going to give you a lot of room when you do have guests in here. The sink is nice and big when you want to do your dishes afterwards, having a few people out cooking and all that good stuff. 3-burner stove here. You do have an oven as well and a microwave. When we get over to this section here, you have your couch with some nice glass doors and cabinets and all that good stuff for storage. This will also fold down into somewhat of a bed. This here is going to be where your entertainment system is. It looks like somebody may have the TV turned around on us, but if I were to open these doors here, I could actually flip it around and bring that TV right back to this area for us to watch. We're going to go ahead and take a look inside the bedroom area. Nice thing about this bedroom is it's very open. It's a walk-around bed. Both people have their space. Tons of storage here for your clothes. And like I said, you do have these doors that you can close for some more privacy, and that's where your TV would be. This is Chad.Lanz with Guaranty RV. Give me a call. I'd love to show you a few more units. 702-249-6264. Thanks. Have a great rest of your day.